Hey everybody, it's Tammy Salamone, the Pink Survivor. I'm so excited to show you a super healthy, very easy dinner that you can make for yourself or your family. We have been loving it and it's called hamburger bowls. So I'm going to show you exactly what I do. I've already put in a couple handfuls of either shredded lettuce or I've got shredded cabbage in here and some shredded carrots. So that's what I start with. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in all the other ingredients. And you can either use a ground turkey or use ground beef. And I'll give you the recipe at the end of how I just season this a little bit. I also add some grilled onions along with all the veggies. And then you can top it off with either a little Thousand Island or mayonnaise, and it tastes just like a hamburger without the bun. You can even add pickles, whatever you like usually on your hamburger. Okay, let me get started here. And I'm just gonna mix this all together, and oh my gosh, what a delicious meal I have. Okay, stay tuned for the recipe. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I can't wait for dinner. Bye.